In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subform in Zoho Creator. Whether you're managing orders, tracking projects, or organizing information, understanding how to incorporate subforms can greatly enhance the efficiency and flexibility of your application. Let's explore this process step by step, ensuring you understand each detail along the way. To kick things off, you'll need to open the Form Builder tool. Begin by logging into your Zoho Creator account. Once you're in, go to the specific application where you'd like to add a subform. Now, identify the main form you'd like to work with. Let's say that in this case, it's your order form. Click on the Design tab, which will open up the Form Builder interface. This is where you'll make all the necessary adjustments to your form layout and functionality, making it a fundamental part of the form customization process. With the Form Builder now open, you're ready to add the subform field. Look to the left sidebar, and you'll find a section labeled Advanced Fields. There, you'll see the option to use the subform field type. Click and drag this field onto your main form. This action initiates the process of embedding a subform, allowing you to capture more granular data that relates specifically to each main record entry. After dragging the subform field, a pop-up window will appear. This prompt plays a crucial role in setting up your subform, as it asks you to determine the form type you'd like to use, essentially how your subform data will be handled and stored. You have a few options here, and it's important to make the right choice depending on your data management needs. Now, let's discuss choosing the subform type. You have a couple of paths you can take. You can either select an existing form, where the subform data is stored separately from each record, or create a blank form. If you want the subform data to be stored only as part of each main record, it's recommended to go with a blank form, especially for simple use cases like line items. For this tutorial, we'll follow the recommended option and select the blank form. It gives you a fresh, clean slate to customize exactly what you'd like to capture alongside each main form entry. After selecting the blank form option, go ahead and click Done. With that, you've successfully added a subform to your main form. This addition allows you to collect various pieces of data efficiently while keeping it organized under your primary entries. This process can be customized further to ensure it aligns perfectly with your specific workflow requirements. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found this information helpful and that you're now more confident in using subforms within Zoho Creator to enhance your data collection and organization processes.